Hello everyone, my name is Kehinde, taking data analytics from DMZ camp all the way from module 1, which is beginners module, to module I'm currently on now, which is analyze your data to solve questions, has been helpful. It's been a good learning process because I must say it has been a step-by-step on becoming a data analyst, and I must commend the effort of the organizers, the likes of Mr. Stanley and others we are not seeing, that has been supportive both in the group and then on making the platform a well space for us. And one thing I must commend the effort of the organizers is because, from my perspective, the module I enjoyed the most was, or should I say, is introduction to spreadsheet, where it was detailed and explanation was given very well on how to make use of spreadsheets in terms of VLOOKUP, pivot table, and how to summarize your data. I must say thanks to you, and then I can't wait to finish this course. Thanks.